Aloha kako, welcome to week 4. As a reminder to check on due dates and activities for each week, please go to the course syllabus and go to the heading General Course Calendar and the subheading Learning Activities Outline and Homework Schedule. We're going to scroll down to week 4. And please note that I made some changes to the syllabus last week. I added specific locations for each assignment and activity so it's clear where to submit that work. For this week, you will submit your final draft for essay number 1 to Turnitin.com. As you write your final draft, please use my comments on your rough draft and your peers' comments from the peer review activity that you will complete this week. And please note that I did change the due date for this assignment to Saturday, September 18th. Also, please note that for the peer review activity, that is due Wednesday. I know for this course, almost all assignments are due on Saturday, so I wanted to point out that this assignment is due Wednesday, and that is to allow enough time for your peers to read your comments and incorporate their suggestions into your final draft for essay number 1. And I'll talk more about the peer review assignment in just a minute. Also, please complete the week 4 forum activity in Laulima Forums, and then there are a few reading assignments, and you just need to click on the link that will take you to the assignment. And as a reminder, you do not need to complete any of the activities within the reading assignments. The reading assignments are supplemental, and if you want to complete an activity or an exercise, you can, but it's not required. For the peer review assignment, please go to Peer Reviews on the left of the screen and click on that, and it will take you to this page. Please review the specific instructions and guidelines for this assignment, and if you have any questions about these instructions, please let me know. Also, please watch this video that explains how to complete your peer review assignment using our course Google Shared Drive. After you watch the video, feel free to click on this link that will take you to our course Google Shared Drive. But please do watch this video first so that you know where to look for your group's essays and then how to participate in this activity. And if you have any questions about this at all, please let me know. I also want to note that for the peer review activity, all you need to do is submit your rough draft, and from that point, I will make a copy of your rough draft and I will put it into a specific group folder within our course Google Shared Drive. So you don't have to actually share your own rough draft with anybody. I will do that part of it for you. I'd also like to remind everyone that you can find at the end of each week's lesson a summary of the assignments and activities, as well as a recap of the lesson and a link to any reading assignments, if applicable, and then a checklist to make sure you're completing all these tasks. And I did add to the assignment and activities section where to submit your work. If you have any questions about any of the activities or assignments this week, please let me know.